we're going to do a quick tutorial video on how to do multiplication by expanded form. Just real quick, so if you need extra help on your math homework, if you're doing GoMath especially, this will help you a lot with lesson 2.6. So let's switch over here, and here we go. So the math problem I have is 7 times 14. Okay, that's going to be what we start with. Now, to make this expanded form, we're going to leave the 7 alone right now, and we're going to go ahead and split up this 14. So I'm going to split 14 into two easy numbers to remember. We're going to start with the 4. It's in the ones place. Because it's in the ones place, the 4 is, in fact, worth 4. Next, we're going to split the 1 off. So the 1 is in the tens place. So because it's in the tens place, it is worth 10. Okay? Now we're going to go back to that 7, and because 7 is multiplying into 14, we're going to do times 7 and times 7. So both of them are multiplied by 7. Add some parentheses, an addition sign, and you're on your way to, well, you've created an equation in expanded form. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and multiply it right here. 7 times 4, or 4 times 7, is 28. And then 10 times 7 is 70. We still have our plus sign. Let's bring that down. We're going to add those together. So 28 plus 70 is 98. And that's how you multiply an expanded form. So again, if you had any difficulties with this, go ahead, pause the video, go back, kind of follow the instructions. I did my best to color code it in a way that made a little bit more sense. And if you need any help, go ahead and leave a comment for me in our Google Classroom. So yeah, that being said, that's expanded form, lesson 2.6 GoMath. Have a great day.